Okay, N5BSB here. Today is February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. Just doing this video to kind of show some of the parts that I have for sale. I will be at the Orange Ham Fest in Orange, Texas, and I have all of these for sale. This first one right here is a complete High Sierra 1500. Is in very good condition. It actually has a new Lexan tube on it. It has a heavy duty quick disconnect with a 6-foot whip. It's gonna be hard to see because of the glare. This one is fully functional. It was on my truck. I sold my truck and it is complete, ready to go. This is the have a lighted up and down switch. It has the cables, everything for it ready to go. It also has the newest style motor in it, which is slightly quieter than the older one. It is in good shape. Nothing wrong with it at all. This is the second one that I have. This one is missing the bracket and the brass piece down here. I'm trying to talk to my brother to see if I can get him to make me another one, but if not, this can be modified to accept a 3/8 stud, or you could get somebody to machine you one for this. And the bracket, I believe you can use the bracket from Tar Heel as well, with some modification to fit this. This has a switch. The light bulb is burnt out on the switch. This is the coupler that goes around the tube here. It is in pretty good shape. The tube is in good shape, but it's not as new as this one. Of course, it's clear. This one's a smoked. I put this on here just for demonstration. I have several capacity hats. This is the configuration of this one, the way it was being used. It's got this short piece here, the capacity hat, and then an extended whip. And I actually have another shortened whip here as well. It's kind of hard to see, but this one looks like it's about 5 foot, where that one's probably about 4 foot. Okay, so talked about the capacity hat. I've got 3 of them here, 3 different ones. The next one over here is a parts unit. The motor's fully functional. There is nothing wrong with the coil inside. The Lexan tube is cracked, as you can see right here. It's kind of hard to see. The lighting's not too good right here, but there is a crack right there in the Lexan shield. The big problem, what happened with this one, was it broke off the end. The phenolic broke off. Whether that could be repaired or not, I don't know, but it's got a good cap. Contact spring in there is in pretty decent shape. So it's a parts unit. Spare motor, the coil, well, the coil is broke off. This would be considered part of the coil. So that's the deal with that one. And then I have an extension tube here, which I believe, I'm not sure how long that is. That's probably about 2.5 feet, somewhere in there, I believe. I believe that's about 2.5 feet, that extension. So these are some of the items that I have. 2 fully functional antennas. This first one here is the one I had on my truck. Worked great. I used it with this 6-foot whip with the quick disconnect. Very easy to take off. This one right here works and performs well. I do not have an additional 6-foot whip for it, so but anyway, that's what I have. And if anybody is interested, you can contact me. I'm good on QRZ, and I will be at the Orange Ham Fest. The prices on these will vary depending on, you know, if it's just one single unit or whether capacity hats or the capacity hats separate. I would make somebody a good deal if somebody wanted to buy all of it at one time for spare parts. You know, they don't make High Sierra anymore. They're great antennas, and that was partly the reason why I have 3 of them, was for backup parts. So if somebody wants to make me an offer for all of it, we'll see. That's it for today. 73.